how would you like to live right on the boundary of Cassiobury Park in this incredible, unique 4-bedroom detached house behind me here, which dates back to somewhere in the mid-1700s. The house itself is Grade 2 listed, but don't let that do anything to put you off, because as you'll see in a moment when you go inside, the current owners have absolutely made this house into something so exceptional that I personally cannot imagine adding anything onto it nor taking anything away. So the house is actually accessed via these double electric gates. As you can see, it's got a large garage, a great long driveway for many cars, and it's so convenient. You're just literally a short walk to Watford Met Station. You're probably about a 15-minute walk into Watford town centre itself. So you really have everything you need all around you. So just before I take you inside to have a look around, let me just tell you that you've got this lovely, lovely wraparound garden going all the way around the house. So it sits in the middle of gardens surrounding it. So let's take a look inside. So as I mentioned, this house is completely unique. It is literally one of a kind, and it was standing here a long time before anything else in this area. So if you're as excited about this house as I am, and believe me, it's just full of bags and bags of character, it would certainly be a talking point to anybody that comes to visit you. It's steeped with history. It's just amazing. Please give me a call on the number below, and I'll be happy to arrange a viewing. Thank you.